Hey guys, it's Little Wolfpack, and today we're doing a Little Wolfpack vlog. And you're wondering why I'm doing this, because you'll find out in a sec. Well, not really a sec. After the video, okay guys? So let's pause this. Okay guys, so did you see my teeth? Wait, we're gonna teleport, okay? Whoa, that was magical. Did you guys see the teeth? It's so embarrassing. Well, not really for some people. Think about these teeth. Right, I bit myself. You'll find out what it is when we teleport again. Oh my gosh, my bathroom. Did you see my teeth? Well, quick, bathroom door, don't see my teeth. They look like the Joker's teeth. Did you see them? I don't really want you to not see them because they're like Joker's teeth. Let me just teleport it again. Guys, I'm still in the bathroom. I just wanted to tell you why I need to teleport. I need to get to my room. It's the right spot to record. Okay. Okay, guys. Why are we in my brother's room?
Cause
That's weird.
I don't think
Let's teleport again. Bye, Aiden. I mean Optimus Prime. Yeah, his real name is Aiden. Mine is Nadia. Please be in the right spot. Please be in the right spot. Oh, guys, I didn't see you there. Sorry. Well, we just teleported. I'm in my room. Yay! I'm a blue bed chair. Don't see my teeth until the end, or else you'll see them. I'm kidding. It's just like teeth just for today. Because my friend dared me to do this for the whole day. And now you see me doing a vlog. Well, I had to because like I had to. My friend in Sacramento, she just Snapchatted me and told me to do a vlog and put on these teeth because she knows that I'm a YouTuber. So yeah. And I just want you guys right now to I'll show you my emoji pillow. Okay. Here's my emoji pillow. Well, yeah. This is my Barbie house. I don't really use this, only the stuff from it. Because me and my neighbors, you know, Pinkie Pie and Little Lily are my neighbors. So Pinkie Pie likes to play Barbies with me, and I do too, but sometimes I don't. But that's okay. Okay, that looked awkward. You thought that was my normal teeth, but no. I can still stick out my tongue, but that's not me farting. That's the beanbag chair. Okay. And I will show you the video. It's getting late anyway, so I might as well show you. Wait, let me just fix them. And I'm a vampire. Only with PC today. Yeah, that's not, this is not blood from my teeth. Because I've been wearing them all day. Well, not in school because, like, I couldn't. So, only in, day because I couldn't. And this is quality. And these are my real teeth. So much saliva. Those hurt. Wow. Yeah. So guys, I think that's the end of the little Wolfpack vlog and the teeth. So guys, make sure to subscribe and like, and also follow me on Snapchat. My Snapchat is Nadia Lopez 08. And also follow me on Musical.ly. My Musical.ly is NP Lopez 08. Because you guys don't know my middle name, but it starts with a P. And Sophia and Isabella Salas and Sophia and Lena Chavez. Don't say in the comments. Okay, wait. Does Isabella even know my middle name? I don't know, but don't say in the comments, okay? Goodbye.